Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to make the cloud effects in iClone 8 3D animation software. So start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step how to make this. So I'm going to just start from beginning. Everything start from beginning. This is just a fresh new project and I'm going to just add any 3D avatar as the reference. And next, to add the cloud effect, what we need to do is just go to find the effect. It will be somewhere here. This one. Go to the particle, then legacy. Then scroll down. You should be able to see a tunnel. Under the tunnel, there is a cloud at here. Just drag and drop to the center. Then, once you play, you can see some cloud effect. And this cloud effect you can apply in any of the sky scene, like the airplane flying in the sky. Then you can apply this. And this is quite cool. You have some cloud, and sometimes you can just need some effects of the cloud, you can just add in. So of course, this one you should just hide it. We don't want to see this. Go to the scene. Just unseen it, but the cloud effect will automatically show, unless if you click here, it is going to deactivate it. So we just don't want to see the box. Right. If you deactivate it, it won't show. If you activate it here, it will show. And we just don't want to see the blue box. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to make and set the cloud video effect, the VFX particle for the clouds in iClone 8 3D animation software. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.